Hello, this is Sir Nariko and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to use the Intersect command. First, open a new workspace. Click Rectangle at the Draw tab. Click and drag the cursor to the workspace and type the length of the rectangle. Press Enter at the keyboard. Select the rectangle. Click Extrude at the Modeling tab and type the height of the object. Press Enter at the keyboard. Click Circle at the Draw tab. Click and drag the cursor at the workspace, making sure the circle overlaps the rectangle, and type the radius of the circle. Press Enter at the keyboard. Select the circle. Click Extrude at the Modeling tab and type the height of the object. Press Enter at the keyboard. Click Solid, Intersect at the Solid Editing tab. Select the objects. Click Enter. Immediately after pressing Enter, the original objects will disappear, leaving only the shared volume behind. Click Orbit at the right pane of the workspace to view the 3D perspective of the result.